Kum shibanta banis nok tilang Rakhe ka singkerpang jong ka jinang jing start blaktep kum ka International Literacy Day ka office jong Joint Director of School Education and Literacy Bhoi District menta ka singi ka pratrik nailor ka apelong ka awareness program halor ka Foundational Literacy and Numeracy lingba ka Central Sponsor Scheme ulas Nav Bharat Saksharta Kriya Karam on Education for All ya ka bala apelong hinder bar hall nong po. Hagan ka singila pensyapit ba halor ka ulas mobile apps understanding lifelong learning for all in society. Kumban syue tu lengkat ka ulas mobile apps kadai ka bala pelait pet ba ka sorkar kami nagabantau snam arjar arpo ar punyo bat ka jintmu jong ka sorkar kami ban pentri kami ka apps kadai ban ketalut ya barok ki jak jingikai ki bakat kum gajuk ka babenta. Hagan ka singila on bani don lang ka kong and thank you Principal District Institute for Education and Training kakong RM Lalu Associate Professor ka ba ajing pencai batay halor ka ulas mobile apps kakong S Sulai Associate Professor ka ba ajing kran halor ka pang Foundational Literacy and Numeracy uba lumlang nong sik uba Vinyang lang Joint Director of School Education and Literacy kinohikai RCLP kinohikai Government LP bat kisamla pule ka District Institute for Education and Training Bhoi District lambat kiwi-kiwi.
This is a centrally sponsored scheme. Now, like Madam have mentioned, with education for all and with the beginning of the Nav Bharat Shiksha, this is the thing which I cannot pronounce, all right? It is Nav Bharat Shiksha Karyakara or New India Literacy Program. Now, this scheme is in alignment with the new education policy 2020 and it has 5 components. One of the component will be, handled by my colleague, Ms. S. Shulai, that is FLN, which is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. Then another component is about basic education. Then we also have 3 other components like life skills, critical life skills. Then also we have vocational skills and also continuing education. Alright, so those are the components. Now, ULAS has been regarded to as a digital gateway to learning. Digital gateway to learning. Now, learning will not happen in the classrooms. Okay? Learning can happen anywhere at your own pace, own time. All you have to do is download the apps from your Play Store or iOS. After downloading it, you will find that, every material resources are available there. You understand? All the resources catering to these 5 components will be available in the ULAS app. Clear? Alright. Then another point is that who are the people that the ULAS apps has been specifically made for? Now, the target groups are for all people from the age group of 15 years and above. It can be 15, it can be up to 17 years. But the first people, the first groups or the first cohort to be targeted are the ones between the age group of 15 to 35 years old. You understand? Now, these people, so who can help in doing all this? Like I said, the ULAS is a mobile app. You understand? So where do you all come in the picture? Where do you all come in the picture? You can just say that, oh, it is an app. It is, so easy to get access to it. All we do is download, open, and everything is there. But where do you people come in the picture? Now, another point of discussion here is, you will find that the school will be the place where ULAS, these people can come and find how do I put it, and find information about Ullas. Now you teachers, we will start with when we talk about the school, let us first talk about the teachers. How can you be a volunteer? Now see, I'm using the word volunteer here because it will be a volunteering work. You understand? You will not only be volunteers, but you will also be mentors. Now, the school is a place where all of you will come, all the teachers will be there, and it is from the school